Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack.
On this channel, we help you practice real everyday English.
English you can use in your real life.
Today, we have a very useful lesson.
Yes, a very important topic.
Today, we are going to talk about daily routines.
Daily routine means the things you do every day,
Every morning, every afternoon, every evening.
from morning to night.
We will take you through a full day, step by step.
We will teach easy English,
Simple sentences,
clear meanings.
and lots of examples.
Are you ready?
Let's start with the morning routine. Jack, what is the first thing you do in the morning?
The first thing I do is wake up. I open my eyes. I stretch. I take a deep breath. I wake up.
I like that phrase. Wake up. Let's say it together. Wake up.
Wake up.
Great. And after you wake up, what do you do next?
I get out of bed.
Get out of bed. Another good phrase.
Yes. First you wake up, then you get out of bed.
I think many people feel tired in the morning.
Yes, sometimes I feel tired too. I say, oh no, morning already?
Me too. But then I get up anyway.
Viewers, what about you? Do you wake up early or late?
Think about it. Do you wake up at 6, at 7, at 8?
Everyone has a different routine.
After I get out of bed, I usually make my bed.
Make my bed. This means you fix the blanket, pillow, and sheets.
Yes, I like a tidy bed.
I should do that more. Sometimes I forget.
It's okay. Many people forget.
So let's practice. Make my bed.
Make my bed, washing and getting ready. After waking up and making my bed, I go to the bathroom.
Yes, same for me. I wash my face,
I wash my face too. Then I brush my teeth.
brush my teeth. A very important phrase.
Let's repeat it with the viewers. Brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
Great job.
After I brush my teeth, I sometimes take a shower.
Sometimes I take a shower in the morning, sometimes in the evening.
Right. Some people like a morning shower. Some people like a night shower.
Viewers, what about you? Morning shower or night shower?
Now, another common phrase. Get dressed.
Yes. Get dressed means put on your clothes.
Exactly. I get dressed after I shower.
I choose my clothes first, then I get dressed.
What kind of clothes do you wear in the morning?
Usually something simple, maybe a shirt and jeans.
Same here. Very easy. Breakfast. After getting ready, I go to the kitchen for breakfast.
Breakfast is so important.
Yes, breakfast gives you energy.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast, sometimes oatmeal, sometimes fruit.
Ooh, oatmeal is healthy.
Yes. What about you?
I like fruit too. I like bananas, apples, or berries. Sometimes yogurt, sometimes cereal.
A simple, easy breakfast.
Viewers, tell us in the comments, what do you eat for breakfast?
Good question.
Let's teach some breakfast words. Toast, eggs, cereal, coffee, tea.
And some simple sentences. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I make toast. I like fruit.
Great examples.
Going to work or school. After breakfast, many people go to work or school.
Yes, this is the next part of the daily routine.
I usually leave my home around 8 a.m.
I leave around 8:30.
Let's teach the phrase, leave the house.
Leave the house means go out of your home to start your day.
Some people take the bus,
Some people drive a car.
some people walk.
Some people ride a bike.
Let's practice pronunciation. Bus, car, walk, bike.
And simple sentences. I take the bus. I drive my car. I walk to school. I ride my bike.
Very useful.
Arriving at work or school. Now let's talk about arriving at work or school.
Good idea.
When I arrive, I usually say good morning to my coworkers.
Yes, good morning is simple and friendly.
You can also say hi or hello.
At school, students say hello to classmates.
Teachers say hello to their students.
Let's practice some useful phrases. I arrive at work. I arrive at school. I start my day.
Starting your day is important. It means beginning your work or studies. Workday activities. Now let's talk about what people do during the day.
Yes, workday activities. School activities.
At work, I usually check my emails.
I also check my emails first.
Then I make a plan for the day.
A to-do list.
Yes, a to-do list is very helpful.
Let's teach this word. Task. A task is something you need to do.
Good word.
Here are some workday verbs. Work, write, read, call, meet, send, plan.
Easy and useful words.
Can we make simple example sentences?
Of course. I work on my project. I write an email. I read a report. I make a phone call. I have a meeting. I send a message. I plan my day.
Great examples. Lunch. After working for a few hours, it's time for lunch.
Lunch is usually around 12 or 1.
What do you eat for lunch, Emma?
Sometimes I eat a salad, sometimes a sandwich, sometimes noodles.
I like sandwiches too. And soup.
Soup is warm and nice.
Let's teach some lunch vocabulary. Salad, sandwich, soup, noodles, rice, chicken.
Let's make some simple lunch sentences. I eat lunch. I have a sandwich. I like salad. I drink water.
Very natural and easy.
Afternoon routine. After lunch, people go back to work or school.
Yes, the afternoon can be busy.
I usually check my schedule again.
I answer messages.
I finish important tasks.
Let's teach the word finish. It means to complete something. I finish my work. Another word is continue. Continue means keep doing something. I continue my project. And another word, focus. Focus means pay attention. I focus on my homework.
Going home. Now let's talk about the end of the day.
Yes, after work or school, we go home.
I usually leave around 5 or 6 p.m.
Me too. Sometimes a little earlier, sometimes a little later.
Let's practice simple sentences. I go home. I drive home. I take the bus home. I walk home.
Very easy and useful.
When I get home, I feel relaxed.
Yes, home feels good after a long day.
Evening routine. In the evening, we do many things.
Yes, I like the evening. It's peaceful.
I usually change into comfortable clothes.
Me too. I love comfortable clothes.
Then I sometimes watch TV for a few minutes.
Or listen to music.
What do you do in the evening, Jack?
I sometimes read a book. And sometimes I play games.
Games are fun.
Viewers, what do you do in the evening?
Cooking dinner. Let's talk about dinner.
Yes, dinner time.
Dinner is usually in the early evening.
Maybe 6 p.m., maybe 7 p.m.
I like cooking dinner.
What do you usually cook?
Sometimes pasta, sometimes rice and vegetables, sometimes chicken.
That sounds good.
What about you?
I like making noodles or stir-fried vegetables.
Let's teach some verbs about cooking. Cook, cut, mix, boil, fry, bake.
Let's make some examples. I cook dinner. I cut vegetables. I mix the sauce. I boil water. I fry the eggs. I bake a cake.
Very helpful. Relaxing. After dinner, many people relax.
Yes, relaxing is important.
I like watching a movie.
Sometimes I watch videos online.
Sometimes I stretch or do light exercise
Sometimes I call my family.
or read a book.
And sometimes I do nothing.
Doing nothing can be nice.
Let's teach the phrase take a break.
Take a break means rest for a moment. I take a break after dinner. Good phrase.
Bedtime routine. Now let's talk about nighttime.
Yes, bedtime routine.
When it gets late, maybe 9 p.m. or 10 p.m., I start getting ready for bed.
Me too. First, I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
Then I change into pajamas.
Yes, pajamas are night clothes.
I like comfortable pajamas.
Me too.
Then I relax a little before sleep.
I sometimes read for 10 minutes,
Then I turn off the lights.
and I go to sleep.
Let's teach some nighttime words. Sleep, rest, dream, tired, pajamas, lights.
And simple sentences. I am tired. I go to bed. I turn off the lights. I sleep.
Very easy English. Now let's review everything we learned today.
Yes, a full day of English. Wake up, get out of bed, make my bed, brush my teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast, toast, eggs, fruit, cereal.
Going to work or school, leave the house, take the bus, drive a car, walk, ride a bike.
Workday verbs: work, read, write, plan, meet, send, eat lunch, salad, soup, sandwich, finish tasks, continue work, focus, go home, relax, watch TV, change clothes, cook, cut, boil, fry, brush teeth, pajamas, go to bed, sleep.
Now it's time for the question of the day.
Yes, today's question is,
What time do you wake up in the morning?
tell us in the comments.
We want to know your routine.
And don't worry, simple English is perfect.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
We are so happy you learned with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson,
Please like this video.
and subscribe to our channel, Talk Aura.
Daily English Talk.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Have a great day.